So my name is Skyy and I'm a freelancer and a student and I'm a fan of online courses. I'm a huge fan of online courses because it allows me to learn or develop a skill faster than the traditional method. I don't need to hire a teacher, be on time, travel, and the most important, I can take as much as lessons I wanted in a day, or I can learn anything from my comfort zone, and I can quit a course if I'm not feeling interested anymore. You can't do such thing with offline courses with that much ease. An online course that I have taken and would recommend to anyone who is interested in writing or selling. It's called Copywriting Fundamentals for Beginners. I recommend Copywriting Fundamentals for Beginners because copywriting is a very valuable skill if you wanted to become an online entrepreneur or writer. Selling is the most valuable skill anyone can have, and copywriting plays an important role in catching attention when you are selling something online. You can also build a writing career with this skill. You can always earn a side income or maybe full-time income with that. It depends on how much you grow it.